Kincaid Auction is conducting an internet auction of some industrial metalworking machine tools salvaged from a tornado-damaged building. Fortunately, these machines suffered little or no damage. They were all well maintained and under continuous use until the storm hit. Featuring a great horizontal bandsaw and an original Bridgeport mill, Nardini lathe shows very little wear, with minor surface rust from when it got wet. Featured item, 2011 Sodick VZ300L 5-axis wire EDM machine. Save big repairing broken bandsaw blades with his P25 peer resistance welder. We have two very nice Komatsu 35-ton presses and also a 45-ton Komatsu press. The insurance company has ordered us to sell these machines without reserve, and it's your game. Go to www.kincaid.com, get all of the details. Preview dates will be posted on our website, www.kincaid.com.